Tokyo with my friend Tuan Yi. It's the first time I ever hung out with a fellow friend on a layover. Yes. And we missed the sakura season. There is nothing, absolutely no flowers around on the trees. It's bare. We missed it by about 3 weeks. I would imagine this place to look absolutely beautiful during the sakura season. We completely missed it. Today I'm trying this place called Suroton Tan, and they serve udon. Wow, look at the bowl. Thank you. Wow, look at the huge bowl. Size of this, my hand for comparison. I really like the aesthetic of this shop. And this Shiba has to be the biggest one ever. I'm at the Lush outside Daikanyama station. Aubergine bath bomb. Doesn't smell like aubergine. This one, flowers. Real flower inside. Got this fidget spinner bath bomb. We are waiting at a place called Happy Pancakes. Just check out the crowd. Look at the crowd. When will it be our turn? This is milk tea pancakes with granola. We waited 1 hour to get it. Look at the queue. Chiran Ramen is here. And look at the long line of people. 1 hour in line and finally at the door. And just look at this. Plus little refill. I just got the ad every time. This is their seat map. They only have 21 seats in this whole restaurant. Thank you. Wow, just look at the amount of food. It looks amazing, and they have drawn out this curtain so you can eat in peace. Let's try it. Oh my god, it's so good.